Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix this screen flickering in your OPPO Reno 14. So actually this problem is quite common on the OPPOs, and at first we need to open the settings in our phone. Here now we have to scroll to the display settings over here, and here we have to adjust the brightness so that our screen won't flicker. Or apart from that, we can disable the adaptive brightness over here. Let's have it disabled for a moment. Apart from that, we can download the screen dimmer application from the Play Store, but it's just up to your own needs which application you download. And apart from that, we can check for software updates on our phone to fix the issue. So go here to the settings and now scroll down till you see the system and update. Tap that, and here, not this one, tap the software update. Here, as you can see, I do have no network connection because I'm not connected to any internet connection mode. But here, if you have any updates available, update your phone immediately. Is because in OPPOs this issue is quite common, and you can easily fix this issue by updating your phone here. I think so because OPPO releases the update kinda quickly to fix the issues in their phones. So yes. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like on this video. It's very important to us. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!